Welcome to today's video. If you're watching this, you're likely looking to fast-track your YouTube journey, growing your channel, and turning it into a reliable source of income. Today, we're diving into insights from Brian G. Johnson's book, YouTube Ritual: Jumpstart Your Journey to 5,000 YouTube Subscribers. In this video, we'll explore Johnson's top strategies for getting your content noticed, driving engagement, and ultimately, earning revenue. By focusing on SEO fundamentals and targeted keyword research, you'll be on the right path to building a thriving channel that people want to follow. First, let's talk about why SEO, or search engine optimization, is a game changer for YouTube creators. YouTube is a massive search engine for video content, so having SEO-friendly content is essential for getting found. Brian explains that aligning your videos with popular search terms gives you a better chance of ranking higher, getting more views, and increasing your subscriber count. When your content is what people are looking for, the algorithm works in your favor. This brings us to our first major step: keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of successful SEO. Brian recommends finding keywords with high traffic but low to moderate competition, maximizing your visibility without competing with big channels. Here's a quick way to get started. Go to YouTube's search bar and start typing in a broad topic related to your niche. If your channel focuses on technology, for example, type something like "best budget laptops" and see what suggestions pop up. Those are keywords people are searching for right now. By including them in your titles, descriptions, and tags, you're making it easier for new viewers to find you. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, which Brian also recommends, can give you in-depth metrics on keyword volume and competition level, so you can make more informed decisions. Now that you have your keywords, let's discuss content creation around these search terms. SEO alone isn't enough. You need engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Brian stresses that watch time is a major factor in YouTube's algorithm. If viewers stay engaged with your video, YouTube sees it as valuable content and promotes it more widely. To boost watch time, start with a hook that captures attention, provide value consistently, and end with a clear call to action. For example, if your keyword is "how to budget," begin by addressing a common pain point, like struggling to save money. Offer real, actionable budgeting tips throughout, and close by encouraging viewers to subscribe for more tips on financial success. With your video created, it's time to optimize. Brian explains that titles, descriptions, and tags help the algorithm understand and categorize your video. Here's how to make the most of each element. First, make sure your title includes your primary keyword within the first few words. For example, "how to budget and save money, simple steps for financial success." Next, write a description with your main keywords in the first few lines, aiming for 200 words or more to give viewers context and help YouTube's algorithm categorize your content. Finally, use specific tags that directly relate to the video's content. Avoid adding unrelated tags, as it can confuse the algorithm and hurt your video's performance. Now that your video is live, your goal is to encourage engagement. Brian emphasizes that engagement, such as likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions, signals to YouTube that your content is worth recommending. Respond to comments, ask questions during the video, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Also, use end screens and cards to guide viewers to your other content, keeping them on your channel longer and increasing overall engagement. And there you have it. A step-by-step approach to monetizing your YouTube channel quickly based on strategies from YouTube Ritual by Brian G. Johnson. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight, but by focusing on SEO, creating engaging content, and boosting engagement, you're setting up your channel for success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on building a successful YouTube presence. Thanks for watching, and here's to your journey toward YouTube success.